In today's quick guide, I show you how to create or edit posts and pages using the Gutenberg Editor in WordPress. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. If you are creating a blog post, go to Posts and click Add New. For pages, go to Pages and click Add New. You'll now be in the Gutenberg Editor, WordPress's block paste editor for building content. Click the plus icon to add blocks, paragraphs, headings, images, galleries, buttons, columns, and even embedded content like YouTube or Twitter. Click any block to customize text, alignment, colors, or styles using the sidebar. You can drag blocks to rearrange them, giving full control over your layout. Add media with the image or gallery blocks and use layout elements like columns, groups, spacer, and divider to make your page look professional. Once ready, click Publish to go live, preview to check your design, or save draft if you're not done. And that's it! Gutenberg makes it easy to create dynamic, visually appealing content without coding.